Welcome to the first part of the ultimate guide to Vienna's sights. Whether you're a tourist or a local, in this video, we'll show you not only the most famous sights, but also a few insider tips that you might not know yet. Let's explore Vienna together. Our first stop is the landmark of Vienna, St. Stephen's Cathedral. The impressive cathedral in the middle of the city center is an absolute must for every visitor to Vienna. St. Stephen's Cathedral, whose foundation stone was laid in the year 1137, is one of the most important Gothic buildings in Austria and was badly damaged during the Second World War, but was rebuilt by 1952. But did you know that you can climb the South Tower with its 343 steps? From up there, you have a fantastic view over the entire city. A little tip. If you want to visit St. Stephen's Cathedral, it's best to come early in the morning to avoid the crowds. You can also book the ticket for the South Tower and the catacombs online to avoid long queues. For locals, there are free guided tours of the cathedral, a great opportunity to get to know the landmark from a different perspective. Another highlight and the perfect place to delve into the history of Vienna is Schönbrunn Palace. Once the summer residence of the Habsburgs, it now attracts visitors from all over the world. The extensive gardens, which are freely accessible and ideal for a relaxing stroll, are particularly beautiful. Tip for all tourists: tickets for the palace often sell out quickly, especially in the high season, so be sure to book in advance. If you want to avoid the crowds, come early in the morning or later in the afternoon. And a real insider tip: the Schönbrunn Zoo, the oldest zoo in the world, is a special highlight for families and nature lovers. For all art lovers, the Hundertwasserhaus is a must-see. The colorful building with its irregular shapes is a prime example of the visions of the artist Friedensreich Hundertwasser. The unusual architecture is a magnet for visitors from all over the world. Although you can't visit the building itself from the inside, the Hundertwasser Museum is right next door, where many of his works are exhibited. For locals, a visit to the Kunsthaus Wien, which also offers exciting exhibitions and is often less crowded, is worthwhile. And now, a real insider tip that even many Viennese don't know yet: the Hermes Villa. It is located in the idyllic Lainzer Tiergarten and was once built by Emperor Franz Joseph for his wife Empress Elizabeth. The villa bears the romantic nickname Castle of Dreams and is perfect for escaping to another time. The villa is open to tourists from March to November, and the surrounding wildlife park offers a wonderful opportunity for long walks in nature. Last but not least, the Prater. Most people know it for its famous Ferris wheel, but did you know that behind the amusement park lies one of the largest urban parks in Europe? The Vienna Prater was originally an imperial hunting ground, which was opened to the public in 1766 by Emperor Joseph II. The famous Ferris wheel was built in 1899 on the occasion of the 50th anniversary of the reign of Emperor Franz Joseph. Today, the Prater is a popular recreation area with an amusement park and extensive green spaces. A little tip for tourists: the ride on the Ferris wheel is particularly beautiful at sunset, when the city is bathed in warm light. For locals, I recommend a visit to the Prater Museum. Here you can discover the history of the park and its attractions. That was the first part of our ultimate Vienna guide. I hope you were able to gather a few new ideas for your next visit or trip to Vienna. In the next part, even more sights, insider tips and special places await you. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the second part.